All right, we're outside here in the patio at Satay on the road on Bayview Avenue. I used to work in this neighborhood, so at a hair salon, when my first profession. And the original owners had only a small, maybe, I don't think they may have moved, but it was just like a smaller restaurant. And then they sold it, so I'm not sure if this is the same owners that bought it. I will find that out. But they've expanded, so if they expanded, that means they have more business. So I don't know if the menu's the same, but we're gonna, I'm gonna order a bunch of stuff, I think. Okay, so I'll be back on. This is the menu. Appetizers, soups, salads, noodles, rice, chicken, beef, seafood, vegetarian. Oh, so they do have the satay dinner for so chicken and beef, $19.95. Shrimp, or is it? Maybe it's one of each. It's either chicken or the beef. It's $19.95. The shrimp is $20. Tofu is $18. I wonder if this is the same thing. 4 skewers. So that's the 4 skewers of satay marinated in traditional Thai spices, grilled to perfection, served with mixed vegetables, peanut sauce. I think this is the one I used to get. But it wasn't at that price. I think this is what I used to get all the time. All right, we'll see. But I was hoping they had Peasy noodles, but they have the Thai, of course. They have. I'm not reading Peasy noodles unless it's Pat Woonson. I don't know. We'll find out if they have it. It looks so good. It smells amazing. And let's see how it tastes. It looks very good. Alright, let's dig in. I am on my live stream on my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. So, again, my eyes will be going up and down because I'm sharing the food on my live stream. Okay, if I can get this open. Oh, that's surprising. Usually Thai food doesn't offer the knife, but it is Thai and Asian cuisine here. But they do offer you the spoon as well, so. All right, so I'm gonna squeeze the lemon on. Try the chicken. So tender. It's good, guys. Very good. Very tender. It's good. Good, guys. Oh. The vegetables are nice. It's not overcooked. It still has its crunch. That's a good thing. There's some tofu. Your bite. Good choice. Let's try the beef. Now the peanut sauce, it's good peanut sauce, but I remember it being thicker, like this bit watery. But it's nice and tender. Tender. Very good. Very good. Good choice. Come here. Take your bite. Yum. Let's dip it in. I'm gonna dip it into this sauce. Yeah. But like to see the peanut sauce thicker. So it would coat the stay on. But it's good. I'm making my live stream. This is for you guys. Take your bite. Yum. Whoa. It's been a long time. So it was I'm just thinking I was pregnant just when working in this area. So I had my son in 92. So let's say 90, 91. That's how long ago. The original owners, when they had it. So good. Yeah, so this is kind of out of my way. I don't live in the, like, close by here, so it is out of my way. But it's worth coming out here. Rice and broccoli. Very good. Am I gonna eat this all? I would say this is about a 5 out of 5 for me. I would say it's good. Take your bite. If you're visiting or you live in the neighborhood close by, and come on over to Satay on the road, 1572 Bayview Avenue, the East Side neighborhood. Take your bite. Wow, it looks so good. It smells amazing. And let's see how it tastes. It looks very good.